僕の心は音を震えたよ。
Hello guys, welcome back to our channel Apollo's Learning. Today our topic is about arrays in Python. Basically, we divide this topic into three parts because of arrays is a huge and important topic that we use throughout the Python programming language. So the first part we are going to learn about the basic knowledge of arrays, and in the second part we are going to perform some operations using array. In the third part, we are going to perform some programs based on arrays. So let us move on to the topic. So first of all, what is an array? An array, it is a set of elements that combined in a single list, or it is a collection of data. So it is very easy to remember that it is a collection of data. Basically, these arrays are three types. They are single dimensional array or one dimensional array. The second one is two-dimensional array or 2D array. The third one is multi-dimensional array. These are the types of arrays that we are going to learn. Now we are going to learn about the single dimensional array. So what is a single dimensional array? It contains elements in only one dimension. For example, single elements in a dataset or data structure. Hence, it is known as single dimensional array. So what is the syntax of this single dimensional array? Means array name, array, type code, elements. So let us consider an example. Example 1. Suppose A is the array name and that is equal to array. The type code is I and enter the elements 4, 6, 2, 9. This is one example. And the another example is array name వచ్చేసి A, array, type code D, elements are 1.5, minus 2.2, 3, 5.75. These are the examples of single dimensional array. So what are these type codes we are using? That is ID. So let us know about these type codes in arrays that we are using in arrays. So these are the different types of type codes and the type sizes. So first, mainly small b. It is a signed integer. It allocates 1 byte memory. Next, capital B. It is an unsigned integer. It also allocates memory of 1 byte. Small I. It is a signed integer. It allocates the memory of 2 bytes. Next, capital I. It is an unsigned integer. It allocates the memory of 2 bytes. And the other one, small l. It is a signed integer. It allocates the memory of 4 bytes. Capital L. It is an unsigned integer. It allocates the memory of 4 bytes. The next one, small f. Basically, small f means it is a floating point. It allocates the memory of 4 bytes. D. The type code D is the largest type code that allocates more memory while compared to other type codes because it allocates the memory of 8 bytes. So it is double precision floating point. While compared to other type codes, the type code D is the largest memory allocation type code. And next one and the last one, small u. It was a Unicode character. The size of this type code is 2 bytes. Hence, this is all about the different types of type codes and their memory allocation. So let us know about two-dimensional array and multi-dimensional array. So what is a two-dimensional array? A two-dimensional array is similar to a one-dimensional array. So basically they both are similar, but it can be visualized as a grid with rows and columns. Basically the two-dimensional array looks like a matrix form, that is some condensing of some rows and columns. For example, we are giving rows is equal to 5 and the columns is equal to 5, and the arrays, we are giving the array name ARR and enter in the element 0. So print ARR, then the output will be like this. Hence this is the two-dimensional array. So what is a multi-dimensional array? The array that has more than one dimension is known as multi-dimensional array. So for example, we are giving some elements in an array, so print A, so the output will be like this. So what is the difference between two-dimensional array and multi-dimensional array? Two-dimensional array, we are entering the number of rows and number of columns, but in multi-dimensional array we does not enter the number of rows and number of columns. We are directly entering the integers. Hence this is about the basic concepts of arrays. So in the next topic we are going to learn or to perform some operations using arrays. So thanks for watching, guys.